Ways to purify water at home without major tools. 1. Boiling. This is the simplest and most effective way to purify water. Bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute, or 3 minutes if you are at an altitude above 6,500 feet. 1. Solar water disinfection, SODIS. This method uses the sun's ultraviolet rays to kill bacteria and viruses in water. Fill clear plastic bottles with water and expose them to direct sunlight for at least 6 hours. 1. Potassium permanganate. This chemical can be used to purify water by killing bacteria and viruses. Add 1 teaspoon of potassium permanganate to 1 gallon of water and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then, filter the water through a clean cloth or coffee filter. 1. Sand filtration. This method uses sand to remove sediment and bacteria from water. Fill a container with sand and gravel and pour the water through it. The sand will trap the sediment and the bacteria will be killed by the exposure to the air. 1. Charcoal filtration. This method uses charcoal to remove impurities from water. Place a layer of charcoal in a container and pour the water through it. The charcoal will absorb the impurities and the water will be purified. It is important to note that these methods may not be effective in purifying water that is contaminated with heavy metals or chemicals. If you are unsure about the safety of the water, it is best to boil it or use a commercial water purifier. Here are some additional tips for purifying water at home. 1. Use clean containers to store the purified water. 2. Store the purified water in a cool, dark place. 3. Discard any purified water that has been sitting for more than 24 hours. By following these tips, you can ensure that the water you drink is safe and healthy.